Behold the croissant, a masterpiece of culinary art, its golden crust, a promise of delicate layers within. But what truly makes it extraordinary, the secret lies not just in skill, but in profound scientific principles. Today, we unravel the physics of the perfect pastry, exploring why lamination, a seemingly simple technique, works wonders. Our journey begins with the fundamental ingredients: flour, water, and the star of the show, butter. Lamination is the art of creating countless thin layers of dough and butter, meticulously folded and rolled. This process, known as turning, is repeated multiple times, building the complex structure that defines laminated pastries. Each fold is precise, ensuring an even distribution of butter between the dough layers. Consistency is key. The dough must be kept cold to prevent the butter from melting and integrating too early, preserving distinct layers. Now, let's delve into the science. At its core, lamination creates alternating strata of dough and pure butter. When this layered structure enters a hot oven, a remarkable transformation begins. The butter, with its high water content, rapidly melts and then vaporizes into steam. This steam, trapped between the dough layers, exerts pressure, forcing them apart and creating lift. Simultaneously, the heat causes the gluten network within the dough to set, solidifying the expanded layers. The butter also contributes to heat transfer, ensuring even cooking and a golden brown, crispy exterior. Without these distinct layers, the steam would escape, and the pastry would remain dense and flat. This delicate dance of physics and chemistry transforms simple ingredients into an airy, flaky delight. The crackling sound of the crust and the subtle hiss of rising steam are the symphony of successful lamination. Each bite is a testament to the power of steam, creating lift and an unparalleled texture. The multitude of layers provides the structural integrity, allowing the pastry to hold its shape while remaining incredibly light. Indeed, every perfectly baked pastry is a marvel of culinary engineering, a delicious application of scientific principles. From the humble block of butter to the golden, flaky perfection, it's a journey of transformation. So next time you savor a laminated pastry, remember the hidden physics at play, making each bite a delightful experience. It's where the precision of science meets the passion of baking, creating something truly magical.